Today I'm here to teach you how to crochet into the back loop of a foundation chain. So this is just a normal chain. When I'm crocheting into the back loop, I try to make sure I make it just a little bit looser than I normally would. That's just going to make it easier. And it makes it a little bit stretchier, and I know that when you crochet or when you make your chains a little bit looser, it can be harder to make it consistent sizing. That's not going to matter. It's going to even out when you're crocheting into the back loop. So I'll just use a single crochet here to show you. You're going to take, and instead of looking at it this way and going into your stitch how you normally would, we're not going to do that. We're going to take, here's the front, we're going to take it, flip it over to the back. Now we're going to skip this first one. And see this back loop right here? See how each stitch has this little back loop on it? That's what we're going to be working into. So you just go under. I like to just grab it with my nail a little bit and slide it in. That's what's easiest for me. Do it however it's easiest for you. Just get it under there and do your stitch as you normally would. I'll show you again. We're just going to go into that back loop right there. Now, let me get a couple of stitches done just to show you what it looks like on the other side. So, it's a little bit fiddly, it's a little bit harder and slower than doing it the normal way, but I really prefer to work into my starting chains this way on most occasions, just because what a nice, like, neat finish it gives. So, I'll show you again. We have the front. Here's the back, that back loop there. You're just gonna go right into that. Do your stitch like normal. So see, here's the front, here's that back loop. We're gonna go right in there. Okay, and then let me just finish up these last two. Right under there. And then I can show you. So here's the top of our stitches, right? Now here's the bottom of our stitches. It looks the same. It's very nice and neat. So I really like that. It gives nice finished edges. It also tends to be stretchier in my experience. So yeah, there we go. That's how you crochet into the back loop of a starting chain.